Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation designed to heal the hurts of racism by connecting with others who share common values. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. All individuals deserve to be treated with dignity and respect, regardless of their racial or ethnic background. Healing the hurts of racism helps to foster a more inclusive and compassionate society where people can live free from prejudice and discrimination. When we work to heal the hurts of racism, we create connections and understanding among people from different backgrounds. This fosters a sense of unity and strengthens our communities, making them more resilient and supportive. With this in mind, let's begin our practice. Begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress. As you breathe, allow your body to relax and your mind to become more focused on the present moment. Now, bring your attention to your heart center. Imagine a warm, glowing light radiating from your heart, filling your entire being with love, compassion, and understanding. Feel the warmth of this light connecting you to others who share common values, forming a powerful network of support and healing. In this space, let's practice 4 affirmations designed to help us heal from the hurts of racism and foster connection with others. Repeat each affirmation silently to yourself or out loud if you feel comfortable. I am worthy of love, respect, and dignity, regardless of my race or background. I choose to see the beauty in the diversity of humanity, and I celebrate our differences. I am committed to fostering understanding, compassion, and unity among all people. I am an agent of change, and my actions contribute to a more just and inclusive world. Take a moment to reflect on each affirmation, allowing its message to resonate within you. As you do, continue to visualize the warm, glowing light connecting you to others who share your values. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few more deep breaths, inhaling peace and love, and exhaling any lingering negativity or hurt. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment. Carry the warmth and connection you've cultivated during this meditation with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are part of a global community dedicated to healing the wounds of racism and fostering a more inclusive, compassionate world.